Hey Monies, I had a very long weekend. I'm very tired, so this is the angle that we're filming from today. Okay? So, let's just jump right into it. So, of course, I'm on social media, I'm scrolling, and I come across a tweet where this guy texts his girl. I'm pulling up the message now so I can read it properly. Saying, let me see. Hopefully, you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I'm hilarious. He says, "You can quit your job when you're ready. I'm gonna get you a card for a $450 weekly allowance, but you have to handle all house needs, no bills. Sincerely, Tevin. Just let me know I love you, girly." So with that, I made a poll on my Instagram. That's what it looks like there, right? Asking what would you do? Right now it's a 50-50 split, saying take it and leave it. Now to me, right? $450 a week. My bills are 100% paid. That's no rent, mortgage, car notes, and I'm including groceries as a bill. There is no electricity, no internet, no cable, no cell phone, no insurance, no, every single bill is covered. Every single bill, right? And I get an additional $400 every week, right? $450 every week. Let's pull up the calculator. $450 every week times two. That's $900 every 2 weeks, right? Times two. That's $1,800 a month, right? I'm not spending the full $450 every week. So let's say we're saving that money up. With that money that we're saving, right? We hire a housekeeper. The housekeeper, a house cleaning team or whatever. They come in. I'm trying to switch hands, I'm sorry. They come in and they clean the house like once a week. I did a light cleaning, they did a deep cleaning. That does not cost $450, right? So that's a that. As far as the food thing goes, once I figure out what you're going to eat when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night, you're good. People on Twitter were like, "Oh, you're taking away my independence." Babe, independence from what? Struggling? Stress? Babes, no. If all you want from me is to bring you peace, and in return you're giving me peace, relief. I even took off my lashes. I don't even know. Did I say that? I'm so tired. Hiccups. But yeah, that 450 a week, I can start a little side hustle, follow my real passions. Like, hello, quit working. Okay, let's say you want to go back to school. Go back to school. Why would I want to hustle and bustle and grind when I could just be living my softest princessest life? Like, no, 450 me please. 450 me please. I don't care. Make sure a car is included. Make sure gifts are included. Make sure push presents if I have kids are included. Make sure vacations are included. We got this. The people who are saying no, I feel like are looking at it from a point of struggle, right? And not struggle in the sense that this will alleviate the struggle, but struggle in the sense that they're picturing themselves only making 450 a week with, I can't even say with bills because he said he would cover all the bills. They're like all the household chores, that in itself is a job. You would have had to do it anyways. You go to work and you come home and you clean anyways. And if you have a cleaning service or a housekeeper, you know how much that costs. You know it's not 450 a week. And who's to say where are we living? Are we living in the nicest of neighborhoods? We drive the nicest of cars, or kids go to the nicest of schools? Babe, I'm not seeing any cons here. These are all pros. 450 me please. Soft life me please. Please, please, please. Like, y'all are not think like. And then obviously this, I okay, so based on how the question was asked, it, you can see they were having a conversation. And maybe I'm wrong, right? Maybe I'm wrong, but it looks like she does want to stop working. And if she wants to stop working, good for her. We don't all want to be in this rat race, this mill, this grind, this, no, I don't want it for myself, and I don't want it for the girls. I don't know. I want you to sound off and let me know what you think. 450 a week, all bills paid. Are you down for that? Yes or no? Take it or leave it. And I want men to answer that question. 450, would you give her 450 a week so she could stop working and just take care of the house? Like, I'm already taking care of the house. I'm already cleaning and cooking. Okay, I'm not cooking like that. Like my husband cooks. But missing the point, right? And then, oh my goodness. If this person is offering this to you, make sure that they like you. Make sure that they're doing this from a place of love. Make sure they're doing this because they actually want you to be happy. Like they're doing this out of purpose, out of servitude, out of wanting you to reside in your feminine energy. We scream traditional values and traditional roles and all these traditional things, and then when someone suggests something as traditional as I will make the bread, you stay home and take care of it, it's crazy. Like what? No. 450 me, please. 450 me right now. 450 me now. Not tomorrow, not next week. 450 me now. 450 me. Which day is it gonna fall? On our Friday? A Saturday is gonna be on a weekend, or a weekday, a Wednesday? Like, I get to have drinks in the daytime with the girls. I get to start a book club. I get to attend all my kids' PTA meetings. I get to be involved with their school, their classes. I get to do all the extracurriculars with the kids. I get 450 me, please, and I get $450. So all my credit card debt is wiped now because you're paying for all my credit card bills. 450 me, please. No car note, 450 me, please. I don't have to buy groceries, 450 me, please. Because buying groceries is a bill. I don't understand. And for the girls screaming, oh, you're taking away my independence. I already mentioned it earlier. Independence from what? Struggling, the rat race, the grind. Cut that. Independence from not having your own, what's the word I'm looking for? Autonomy. Again, if he's coming from a place of love, a place of servitude, a place of I want my partner to be happy because I notice that she's unhappy. What are you afraid of? If you're with someone who you know doesn't like you, take a step back and reevaluate. Reevaluate. Meet people where they meet you. Stop overextending yourself and then get upset when they don't reciprocate what you're giving. And I know that's going to be hard for some of you because, you know, you always come from a place of love and you want to show love and be love and all of these things. But if someone is not even trying to meet you halfway of what you're giving them, just back up. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, remember to sound off in the comments if you would take the 450 or leave the 450. Give the 450 or not give the 450. Let me know down below what you think. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.